Hello my dear students, today we will continue Omana's journey in our next chapter, chapter number 7. Our chapter name is From the Window, chapter number 7. This chapter is related to Omana's journey, which we have already read in our previous chapter, chapter number 6. Now this is continue. Omana's journey continue from the window, means whatever she has seen from her window in between the journey, she had mentioned in her diary for her friend. So Omana writing in her diary about her journey on 17 May at 7:30, she had mentioned the time. It is morning now. Last night I went to sleep early. It was too dark to see anything outside. When the train stopped early this morning, I woke up. It was Madgaon. That was written on the board at the platform. Appa said that we were going through the state of Goa. In previous chapter we have learned about all the stations which came across the journey from Gandhidham to Kerala. They reached at Valsad station previous. Now the train in the morning, Omana is writing in her diary, the train stopped at Madgaon station. It is in Goa. And her father said we are going through the state of Goa. So Madgaon station is located in Goa. We got off at the station and had some hot tea and filled our water bottles. The train started again. I find it difficult to describe the scene outside. It is so beautiful. It is green everywhere, fields with red soil and green crops, hills covered with trees. So Omana was mentioning all the beauty, whatever she has seen outside. When they got off at the station, they had some hot tea and they filled their water bottles, and she saw beautiful greenery everywhere. So Omana has mentioned in her diary about all the scenery which she has seen from outside, from the station. Sometimes I can see small ponds and far away behind the hills, more water. I can't make out if it is water, it is a river or the sea. The air is cooler and not so dry as in Ahmedabad, because Omana lived in Ahmedabad in Gujarat. So the weather of Gujarat is very different from the weather of Goa. So she is very excited about the whole feelings which she is mentioning in her diary for her friend. She is mentioning that she can see small ponds and she can see the large amount of water body. She is confused whether it is a river or the sea. But the air blow very cool, because it kind of air is not available, is not filled in Ahmedabad, because the weather is very different of Goa from Ahmedabad in Gujarat. The train passed a level crossing. The level crossing is the place where the train passes through, and the people on the both side with their vehicle, they have to wait for the train to pass through. So people are waiting on the both sides of the crossing for the train to pass. There are some bushes there are some buses full of people, cars, trucks, auto rickshaws, cycles, motor vehicles, scooters, and even tangas and bullock carts with people and goods in them. So there are lot of vehicles who waited for the train passes through the level crossing, because it is the area where the train passes through, and from the both side so many vehicles have to wait for the train, like bus, car, scooter, truck, etc. Now, some people don't switch off their engines, the engines of their vehicles, even while waiting at the level crossing. There is a lot of smoke and noise. I see some people going under the bars of the level crossing, and how dangerous this is. It is very dangerous. Some people cross the bars of the level crossing, but it is very harmful because we have to follow all the traffic rules. Now, whatever she felt at the level crossing, Omana was writing in her diary. She has written about all the vehicles, what she has seen from the level crossing, and she is also mentioning that it is very harmful to cross the bars at the level crossing without permission because we have to follow all the traffic rules. Now let's move forward. At times our train crosses another train. Unni and I try to count the carriages in one such train. But both the trains were going so fast, we always got confused. She is mentioning that, she is telling that when their train passes, the other train also passes through at the same time, and it is very difficult for me and Unni to count the carriages in one such train. So many questions given for you, like sometimes people cross the tracks even when the crossing is closed. What do you feel about this? This is very dangerous to cross the level crossing when the crossing is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass through, then we have to cross. Okay, on 17 May, Omana is writing at 8:30. Later, I was sitting near the window with my eyes closed. Suddenly, the sound of the moving train changed. Khud, khud, khud. I opened my eyes. Guess what I saw? When the train voice is changed, the sound of the train is changed, Omana opened her eyes and she saw our train was crossing a big river on a very long bridge. As it was crossing the bridge, it sounded very different. So Omana is mentioning in her diary, when the train passes through the river at the long bridge, the sound of the train changed. The wheels rattled as there was no ground, only the tracks and the water down below. That's why the sound of the train changed. When I first looked down, I felt giddy. It was really quite scary. So Omana was getting afraid, very scared, while she saw from the window the large amount of water body, like the large amount of water, the sea water. She was afraid when the train passes through the long bridge. The river down below was full of water and had some boats. I could also see from some fishermen on the banks. I waved at them, but I didn't know if they could see me. Alongside our bridge, there was another bridge for some buses and cars. This was built differently from ours. I think going over our bridge was more adventurous. So this journey was very adventurous for Omana, and she was writing in her diary all the things, whatever she has seen, whatever she has felt in the whole journey. And from the bank of the river, she saw, from her train, she saw some fisherman and she waved her hand. But Omana is very confused that even they could see her or not. And she is also mentioning about the another bridge for the buses and car. Few questions are given for you. You have to write down the answer. Have you seen any bridge? Where? Have you seen even a crossed? Have you ever crossed a bridge? What was the bridge built over? What did you see below the bridge? Find out why bridges are made. Now, time is 11:30. She has mentioned on 17 May. The last Few hours have been so exciting. After breakfast, I climbed on to the upper seat, to read my comics. It was bright and sunny outside. Suddenly, everything became dark. It also felt a little cold inside. I was afraid. Then the lights in the train came on. But outside it was very dark. Somebody said, "We have entered a tunnel. This goes right through the mountain." The tunnel seemed to go on and on. Omanna is mentioning that she was so excited after breakfast. She climbed on the upper berth. She sat on the upper seat and she was reading her comics book. Then she's also mentioning that the day was very bright and sunny, but suddenly it became very dark. Somebody said, "Our train is passing through the tunnel, through the mountain." Tunnel is made in between through the mountain, and it is a great experience. It was a great experience for Omanna. She has mentioned all the things in her diary, her feelings in her diary, and she has mentioned about the tunnel, the long tunnel. And then just as suddenly we were in the daylight again. Outside it was sunny, bright and green. The train had crossed the tunnel. Appa, means her father, explained that we were on the other side of the mountain. Since then, we have passed through 4 smaller tunnels. Now I am enjoying going through the tunnels. So Omanna is enjoying her journey. It was very adventurous and she is very excited. Now it is afternoon. For lunch, we had idli vada that we bought from Udupi station. We also bought some bananas. These were very small and very tasty. The scene outside has changed again. Now we can see many coconut trees and green fields everywhere. Amma says that these are paddy fields. The paddy field means the rice crop. The houses and villages look very different. People's clothes are also different from what we see in the Ahmedabad in Gujarat. Most people are wearing white or cream colored dhotis and saris. Many people who were with us from Ahmedabad have got off. People have also got onto the train from different stations. Sunil's family is also getting off at Kozhikode. Her friends, Sunil and Ann, they getting off at the Kozhikode, which comes at around 6 o'clock. We have exchanged the addresses and plan to meet in Ahmedabad. You'll also like Sunil and Ann. Now Omanna is mentioning all the happening. She explained about her friends. She had made 2 friends, Sunil and Ann. They get off at the Kozhikode station at 6 o'clock and they have exchanged their addresses and they have planned to meet soon in Ahmedabad. In afternoon, they ate the tasty lunch, idli vada, which they have bought from the Udupi station. They have bought some bananas and bananas also, they are very tasty. And Omanna is mentioning about the coconut trees and the green fields she saw from the station. Now it is night. Omanna is writing in her diary on 17 May at 9:30. We have also started packing up. The train will reach Kottayam in about 3 hours. That is where we have to get off. Now Omanna, her family, reached at Kottayam. Tonight we will also go to Valiamma's house. Valiamma means mother's sister. Omanna's mother's sister. She called her mother's sister Valiamma. Tomorrow's we will take the bus that will take us to Ammumma's village. Ammumma means grandmother. We all are quite tired. After all, we have been on the train for 2 days. It was really a long journey of 2 days. What a long journey it has been. We had a lot of fun. I will put my diary away now. I will write again after we reach to grandmother's house. So in Omana call her grandmother Amumammas. In Kerala, grandmother is called Amumammas and her mother's sister is called Valiammas. Okay. Now Omana's journey will be continued in next chapter, chapter number 8, reaching grandmother's house. So my dear students, we will meet in our next video. We will complete Omana's journey in chapter number 8, reaching grandmother's house. Bye everyone. Thank you.